Setting up alerts on TradingView enables you to monitor market movements and receive notifications based on specific conditions. Here's how you can create and manage alerts effectively. Initiate alert creation. Click the alarm clock icon on the top toolbar. Alternatively, press Alt+A. You can also right-click on the chart element and select Add Alert. Set alert conditions. Condition. Choose the asset or indicator and define the trigger condition. Value. Specify the price or indicator value that will trigger the alert. Frequency. Decide how often the alert should trigger. Expiration. Set an expiration date and time for the alert. Alert name and message. Assign a name and customize the message. You can use placeholders like close to include dynamic data. Choose notification methods. Notify on app. Receive push notifications on your mobile device. Show pop-up. Display a pop-up message on your screen. Send email. Receive an email notification. Webhook URL. Send a post request to a specified URL. Play sound. Play a sound when the alert triggers. Create the alert. After configuring the settings, click Create to activate the alert. Managing alerts. Access Alert Manager. Click the alarm clock icon on the right panel to view all active alerts. Edit or delete alerts. In the Alert Manager, you can pause, edit or delete existing alerts. Modify alert on chart. On the chart, drag the alert line to adjust its value or double-click it to edit settings.